Here's my UML diagram. On the left we have my project class with the main inside of it that calls the custom class car, and then we have 5 variables in car, model, and color, and they're both strings, and then the 3 private variables are damage, mult, and power, which are all ints. At the top we have the car constructor methods, all have different parameters, and then we have our 5 get methods, 5 set methods. And then at the bottom we have 3 custom methods, which are printCar, calcAttack, and calcAPM. And here's my custom class, and as you can see I have my data layer containing all of my variables, my business layer which contains all of my constructor methods and the set methods. And then I have my interface layer below here, which contains all of my get methods. The set color method, it validates it by seeing if the new color that they're trying to apply to the variable has the length I set it for, which would be anything less than or equal to 10. And if it does not, it won't set the variable to what they put in. And here in my main method, I'm going to show you how when I try to set the power to the one constructor, how the set method will stop it from going anything over 5 or less than 1. As you can see, the old p2 variable pulled the getPower method and returned 1, and next we are going to try and change it to 20. And here, as you can see in the new p2 variable that I created in the main method, the integer inside of the power variable still is 1. I have an if statement that checks to see if the new power that they put in is less than or equal to 5 and is also greater than or equal to 1. And if it is, the new power integer becomes the power variable's integer. And here I'm going to try and set the model variable directly because it's protected, so we can go directly into it, and I'm going to try and change it to Subaru. And when I step through, you can see the before variable for model was destroyer, and after we change it, you can see that it changes to Subaru. I think I would directly access a protected variable in any situation where there was non-sensitive data, that it wouldn't really matter if they changed it, such as a name of something, no critical values. But if it was a critical value, I would probably use a set method, something to validate it so that they couldn't just push in whatever value they want. And I think in the future I will probably use set methods